Morning everyone, today is the day we will leave from Koh Kood to Bangkok again. So we are a little bit sad because Koh Kood was really amazing. Fleur got stung by mosquitoes so many times. Look at her arm. Show me your leg. How many did you count?
Yeah, a lot.
Like 30?
Or 40 or something.
Oh, wow.
Maybe
That's
more.
crazy. And I only got like 4.
Oh no, over here.
Let's enter the boat. We stopped at the same place again, and I've ordered a pad see ew with chicken, and Fleur ordered a Thai omelette with some rice and also some iced coffee because we didn't have breakfast yet, so we eat first. Caramel iced coffee. I've got a pad see ew with chicken. We have the same place as the way back. Nice, nice, nice. The seatbelt is so strong. 1, 2, it's so strong. We have a break here in Chantaburi and we're looking for some souvenirs. Stop number 2, and I've ordered a pink milk, which is like milk with strawberry flavor, and Fleur as well. And Fleur, show me the wraps. I've got 2. We got 2 barbecue wraps. And this is garbage, it really smells. The AC was broken, so it was suddenly like 35 degrees Celsius. It was really hot. So we are dropped off at the airport right now, and we are going to the first floor to the hotel. We arrived in the new hotel and it looks really good. The new hotel room is really nice. The only downside to separate beds, but that's okay. A TV. We even got a balcony with a view. Oh, we have a view on a football field and a beautiful mosque or something, or temple. It looks great, and it's also not very busy here. And the bathroom also great. I'm so hot. I'm gonna take a dip in the swimming pool. It looks really beautiful. And over there's the gym. Nice. But I think it's really small. Like, I already see 2 cardio machines, 1 baby trampoline, and like 1 weight-lift thing. And a ping pong table. That's nice. We can ping pong.
Tomorrow I'm gonna walk.
Yeah?
Yes.
Run 30 minutes here. And ping pong. Let's have some nice street food. We got a seat. We went to the local street food and they were so funny. There was a guy, he was obviously drinking, I think. It must be. He was drinking rum.
Rum next to the chair.
Yeah, but he was so friendly and so funny. And we now have 2 bags of food and it only cost 80 baht. So that's like €2.50 for 2 very big meals. I will show you.
And now we give them a little tip. It was like 20.
We gave 100 baht.
Yes.
Because they were very friendly, of course.
Very friendly.
Alright, I show you the food. Oh, it looks really good. €2.11 for the both of us, so it's very cheap. And the guy was also very funny. He was like, 7, see you, bye bye. It was really funny. Good morning guys and welcome to this new video, and today we are in the Mega Bakna Mall, and this is a huge mall in Thailand. And we're starting apparently with very beautiful cars. It's a huge mall, 400,000 square meter. And this is the first IKEA in Thailand. Funny. It only got like 2 floors, but it is very long. It's like 2 kilometers long. You have to walk 20 minutes to get to the other side. There's even an outside bar. It looks really nice. They also got a huge cinema with like 14 rooms. It's like crazy big. I want to go here later. Over here it costs 200. And yesterday we had that for 20, or no, for 40 baht. And this is our ticket to buy the food here. I've got a roasted duck with some noodles and soup. And Fleur got the roasted duck with the rice. It's really cheap here, nice. And we got a blue soda because I made it a little bit too spicy. This is my soup. I made it spicy with this, but it's good, it's good. Okay, so we ordered the car to go to the cinema. We are going to, what is the name of the movie? Hail Mary, Hail Mary. It's really nice, I think. And we have the premium IMAX seats, so it's really cool. You even got a whole bowling center and ice skating here. It's crazy. It's so big. You can literally buy everything here. Perfumes, jewelry, like also expensive stuff. All branding. I don't even wash my clothes, but I mean, this looks sexy as well. This looks so expensive.
For smaller tickets.
It looks so nice. Honestly, this was cool. Let's go underground. Ooh. There's not very much, I think. Maybe. Let's see. I've got some mixed ice cream again, the peach flavor. This is so cool. And we are totally getting lost. It's huge here. We arrived at a new mall and it is really sunny and hot outside. And we think that the last mall we saw everything. So we are here right now at the new one. Okay, this looks already better, like smaller stores instead of these very big luxury brands. So top left was mostly restaurants, I think. And also downstairs. Also jewelry. So I've bought some perfume from Butterfly. And it smells really good. It's like vanilla coconut. Oh wow, this is the nest. They even got ostriches here. Alright, but first we take some Dairy Queen ice cream. Fleur got the chocolate brownie. Looks so good. We are back in the last mall because we are going to the cinema. But first, sushi. We're in the sushi restaurant and it's so funny because they are repeating our order fully in Thai, like we understand a word of Thai. We don't. It's really funny. We are like, yeah. I've got a nice pineapple smoothie. Ooh, it's yummy. I've got a mix of everything and some gyozas. This is all for me. Looks good. It is finally time to go to the cinema and it is really big here. It looks really cool. We're going to Hail Mary, IMAX Screen X, I think. Laser screen or something. It sounds good. I also want to see this one, but it's only coming out on April. Okay, we are entering the room. There's absolutely no one. I think it's the wrong room. It's a real maze over here. There are like so many floors, it's crazy. Okay, I think it was the right one, but there's just no one. And these are the normal seats. They're like 400 baht or something. And we have these ones.
And the other ones,
they're also nice. Little bit less luxury than in Manila. And these are the... Oh no, we have this one.
Oh yeah.
This is C. We have this one. So that's normal, regular. This is the premium, and we have the VIP premium or something, which is like 50 baht more, so just like €1 more.
This is
and these are the VIP honeymoon ones, but they are like 1200 baht, which is like €35 per person, so that's a little bit too expensive, but you got a blanket with it. But I don't need a blanket. You can't lie?
No.
Really?
No.
Okay, we are a little bit spoiled. The seat is comfy, but you can't raise the legs, which is a little bit weird. Because it's like €12 per person or something.
With no snacks included.
Without snacks. And in Manila it was like €7. With a very luxury seat and also snack and drink. So it is much more expensive, but also a little bit less comfy.